Hey everybody, it's Paul over at Wise Motor Cars. So here we have an interesting one. It's a 1956 Chevy with a Corvette drivetrain. And I mean a full Corvette drivetrain. Super clean truck, rust-free, New Mexico truck. Full Corvette drivetrain, disc brakes, automatic transmission, bucket seats. This is an absolutely awesome build. It's an older build, but still a good looking truck. There was no tailgate, so we found a tailgate and put it on, but left that up to someone's discretion if they wanted to paint it or not. But she fires right up. You jump in here and got the keys in it. Runs, drives. Everything seems to work in it. Truck, 1956 Chevy 1500. That is basically a Corvette with a truck body on it. Take a look at the photos on our website for more information. Thanks for viewing our video today.